In this video, I'm going to show you how to change background color in PDF-XChange Editor. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the top left and click on File, and then go to the bottom left and click on Preferences over here. Now, from here, you want to go to the Accessibility tab here on the left, and as you can see, it says Override Document Colors. You want to check this check mark, and then from here, you can see it says Page Background Color. However, you can go ahead and change this to whatever you want, like green, and if I click on Apply, it's only basically going to give me a random color over here, and that is because I'm not sure why that is. However, if I uncheck this and do apply, as you can see, it's basically going back to normal, which means the only way to do this is to actually change the fill color. So if I change fill color over here, for example, into red, and I do apply, as you can see, the background is going to get red, and of course I can do whatever color I want, click on apply, and that color is going to get set as the background color. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.